Hi everybody, good morning. Today, let's unbox another parcel from Backyard Candies. So, let's start. This is number 1, cactus. Number 2, lahat ng cactus na receive ko today, merong mga variegation na pink. And yung kanilang size is regular size or medium size. Ito siya is flat form na cactus. Number 3, cactus. Let's unbox. Another pink variegation, guys. Ito. Ayan. Next. Kaapat na cactus, which is the last one. Dito pala ako nag-unbox sa aking garden. Ito, nasa likod ko, mga ornamentals, plants. Bagong lipat sila, guys. And these are the fourth one. Okay? So, and then, thanks to the seller, kasi meron siyang skyflakes. And, nanalo pala ako sa kanyang mga freebies. So, this is the price, and it is a mug, and additional to my mug collection. Aside kasi sa plants, nagko-collect din ako ng mga mugs, guys. So, another collection from Backyard Candies. Thank you so much for these freebies. Meron na tayong pangkape. Cut lang natin, medyo wrap siya para hindi siya siguro makrap while shipping. So, this is it. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang ganda ng kanyang print. See? From Backyard Candies. And, ito yung kanyang detail. Cactus, cactus, muna, insan. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you again to my another vlog. Bye! Thank you for watching, guys!